Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section in general, this year around the paper seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. This is the kind of question that we have seen put forward this year around. In the QA section required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve them, and thus made the section a little bit more calculation intensive and really difficult, okay, to solve. So what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we'll be taking a question from the paper itself or from the section itself, and then subsequently we'll try and solve this question, so that whenever we come across a question such as this further down the line in examination as such, we are easily able to solve the same, okay. So having said that, let us now focus on the question in front of us. N of x is a family of natural numbers for different values of x, okay, where x is a natural number. Number in the family share common property having 24 factors each of the number. All the elements of n are arranged in ascending order as follows: n1 less than n2 less than n3 dot dot and so on and so forth. Now the digital sum of the number is defined as the sum of the digits until and unless we get single digit. What is the digital sum of n1? Basically the minimum number we have to find out, okay. So here it is said that a number, so let the number be x and it is of the form a to the power m into b to the power n into c to the power o into dot 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 something, okay. So now is given that the number of factors are 24, so therefore we can actually write m plus 1 into n plus 1 into o plus 1, okay, plus dot dot dot. This should give us 24, okay. Now let's try and understand this one thing, okay. We need the minimum value of x such that we get a number of factors is 24. If we try to divide 24, 24 can be actually divided as let me take 3 streams for now. Say 6 into 2 we can have, so something we can have 1 to the power 6 into 4, so we have to the power 5 in one case and to the power 3 in another case, okay. So if we talk about the minimum number that I can think of is 2 to the power 5, if I take 5's case in general, 2 to the power 5 if I take into we have cube, right? So multiplied by, say I take the next smallest, I'm taking 2 to the power 5, and the next smallest thing, suppose I take 3 cube, okay. We need different numbers in general, so 3 cube be 27, so that comes out to be 864. So 864 will have, yes, 24 factors, but can we attain something lesser than that? Suppose I take 2, okay. So 2, if I take let me take 2's power as say, what will we take here? Okay, suppose I take 2 cube, okay. So 4, 3 plus 1, so this would give us 3 plus 1, so we have 4. Now we need to get 6, okay. So 6, let me do one thing, let me take 3, okay. 3, suppose I take 3 to the power 5, it will be a very big term, so let me take this as say 2, okay. 3 square let me take, so it will be 2 plus 1 3, and now next smallest number would be 5 to the power 1, so this would give us 2. So what we have, 4 into 2 8 into 3, yes, 24. So our number in this regards would be 2 cube. I don't think we can have anything smaller than this, because for the minimum value we have taken the maximum power, next one, and 5 we have taken 1 power, so we cannot go lower than this. So we have 2 cube into 3 square into 5, so that would give us 8 into 9 into 5, so 720 into 5, that is 10 35 360. So this is the minimum value, or this value is for n1, okay. So therefore our digital sum would simply be 3 plus 6 equal to 9, okay. 9 will be our answer, option A. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. So it was a very interesting question. Try and understand this particular concept, okay, how we came about with the figure, how we found out the entire thing. So if you're clear with that, we'll be easily able to solve this here. Go through the video in case you're having any doubt with respect to the approach, and I don't think you should face much of an issue with regards to anything in this question. Okay. Now, having said that, if you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, okay, insight for all the sections, also if you're looking for a one-stop solution for all your competitive exam queries, that is guidance and preparation tips and help on any of those lines, or if you have any doubt with respect to any subject or any concept that you feel our expertise are required, feel free to connect with us in all those lines. Okay, we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. So said that, please do look us up. So if you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so we keep coming up with relevant content such as this. Having said that, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.